Hello my dears, next we come to discuss the align contents. In last video we talk about the align items. So you can see the blocks here are shown in a wrap are aligned in center, but this is the items alignment. So we can see there is a space between these two. So by default, when we see, if we delete this, so wrapping is applied, flex direction is column wise. Okay, so if you see, so this is the first two blocks, these are second and third. So alignment is not justified. So what we do here, we put align items to be in the center. So we have this unique space on all the margins, sorry, on the both of these margins, so they are put in the center. But the purpose of align content is to remove this distance and bring all of these together in the center. So let's see, write align content to be in center. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Okay, all of these are now in the center. So the contents, the whole contents are in the center as well as. So if we see, for example, if we remove this, we only left with this, still it's okay. So this means contents, align contents bring more dynamicity in this. So instead of center, if I write it to be the start, so it will bring all the blocks to the start. So this is a very interesting style you can apply. Okay, so if further we apply more styles, so if instead of start, if we write the end, so all of the contents will move to the end. Okay, so if we give space between, let's see what happens. Now all are brought to the ends with the space between these two, all of these. Okay, let's suppose we convert it to the row. So what will happen? You can see wrapping is not allowed in two lines, because the div space is enough to adjust in the section container, but still alignment, all of the contents are bring to the center together. Okay, if we write here, if we delete it, still it's okay, because by default there was no space, because space will be allowed only when there is wrapping, but wrapping was not done. So in order to have a wrapping, so we have to reduce the width. For example, we reduce the width to be 50%. Okay, so 50 is also not enough, we instead we make it 200, no 200 pixels. We will little increase it. We'll see the width 100 and we have 5, so we will bring it to the 300. Okay, so now it brings to the 300. So you can see the blocks are located, so we will bring it to the 400 instead. Now you can see the alignment are in the center, but if we align elements are in the center, but if we remove this, so you can see still the same result. But if we increase the height of this to be 600, like now you can see this is jump to here and space is allowed. So we will then write align text, align items, align items to be in the center, align items to be in the center. So now it is brought to the center, it is moved down from the row to this, because in order to have this in the center, but not this one, but as a whole. If this one is moved to here, then this whole will be bring to this middle. Like if we increase the width of this to be 500, so no wrapping will be applied, and it will wrapping is not visible like in two rows, but still contents are moved here. This is why, because of this, but we will bring it to the 400 again. Okay, so let's see what happens. It is okay. 500 pixels, 400 pixels. Okay, so you look okay, but we want to remove this space from here, so we will write align content. Okay, align content to be in center. Okay, so this is all about the align contents. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.